Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I have Catalyst's two amazing models here. I have the Catalyst Impact Protection iPhone 10 case and a Catalyst Waterproof iPhone 10 case. One of them is 3 meters drop proof, the other one is 10 meters waterproof. This one is also actually 2 meters drop proof according to Catalyst's website. Let's check what we have here. Yep, that information is present. Drop proof 3 meters. They have this impact truss system and it's really light, 32 grams. We will actually check that out. The waterproof iPhone 10 case has the waterproofness for 10 meters. It has 360 total protection and it is also drop proof for 2 meters. So basically the impact protection iPhone 10 case is focused on the impact and it gives you drop proofing for 3 meters. And the waterproof case gives you drop proofing for 2 meters and also 10 meters of waterproofness. I think those are amazing claims. We will put them into test soon. Okay, before I proceed further, I would like to thank Catalyst for sending me these two cases. I was in the market for a new case and Catalyst came to my help and they sent me these two cases. Alright, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this baby. Alright. Case is coming out. Yeah. It has the wrist lanyard included, so we will also check that out. But first, oh, okay. It's very similar to the case I'm using, but this is better. When you put the case, you need to get in there to use that toggle switch. But with this, it's actually a lot easier. It's like a watch, You just rotate it and it rotates that toggling switch up and down. Wow, okay, we will put this into test soon. Apart from that, it's a clear back. I have this bluish color. I'm sure there is an official name for the color, but I like this color. Sometimes when my phone is full black, I lose it on this table especially, but this will add some visibility. The blue and the orange touch here will actually improve the visibility of my phone. Okay, let's check the included lanyard. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah. Okay, it's pretty standard, but it's good that they have it. Okay, if you let your kids play with your phone, you can just make sure that this lanyard is wrapped around their wrists so they don't drop your phone, and even if they drop it, you have 3 meters drop proofness with this one. I like the idea, and I think what does the trick here is the fact that the phone stays in here instead of coming out. So the edges are protected with the plastic layer. You know what? Let's take a look at this. It has the same toggle here. Again, drop proof for 2 meters and it's 2. The other one was 3 meters. And this one is waterproof for 10 meters. Snow, dirt, scent proof, which is actually good. Oh, and they claim that the sound is unharmed, authentic acoustics. Let's go ahead and actually check that claim as well once we are there. And the wireless charging is enabled through the case, which is always an advantage if you are using the wireless charging. The case is in a very premium box. This box shows you what the case looks like, and also it gives you the rundown of what this case includes. It has a waterproof seal. Where's number 1? Okay, seal. And number 3 is the acoustic membrane. Okay, we will definitely test this acoustic membrane and its performance. Alright, I think I'm talking a lot, but let's go ahead and open this. I actually opened this because you can see the scratch mark here, but I actually did not proceed further so that my reactions stay genuine. Alright. Okay, we have the instructions and the user's manual here with some warnings, this and that. Okay, we'll go through this. I think this is important, but let's go. Oh, okay. There's a lot of important information here and some warnings. Can I take this out? Yeah, it wasn't that difficult, but I'm actually gonna leave it on. I didn't. Anyways, let me put it back in. I used life-proof cases for like maybe 2 years with my iPhone 6s, so it gives me the similar vibe, but maybe they also improved since the 6s, but this one feels more premium than that. But I want to see the rest of it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, I like the way it looks. Okay, I'm gonna check the warnings, and if any of the warnings are about getting it off the box, no, okay, then I can proceed, because I don't like to force things. I don't want to break things. Yeah, I don't want to break stuff. I don't want to make stuff, like one of my favorite tech YouTubers, iPhone says. I like this. Okay. When I was using my iPhone 6s, I was actually always anxious to put the glass side towards me when I'm putting it in my pocket. But iPhone made us a favor, and now both sides are glass, so no worry about which side you're gonna shutter. So just, you can put it in your pocket the way you want. But I think this case will give you the necessary protection. At least the claim that they have is pretty solid. Okay, I will put this into test, and I know I'm talking a lot again, but I'm excited to see this case. Like, it took me a lot of courage to get out of my iPhone 6s life-proof, and you know, but I think I'm gonna go back to using a very protective case, because guys, this phone costs $1,000, and I don't have the financial freedom to toss around $1,000 just like that. Alright guys, in my next video I'm going to put a phone in these babies. My initial impressions after unboxing is very positive, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you get a notification once I post the video where I water test these things and show you how they fit on your phone. Alright, thanks for watching, see you next time. Peace!